The first step of the installation is to locate where the bulbs are. The bulb is right in front and easy to access. We remove the connector by simply twisting it counterclockwise. Bring the bulb up and out. Next, pull the free bulb out of the connector. Insert your new ALA LED into the connector and pop it in. Twist the bulb clockwise once you put the bulb inside. Our ALA LED is much brighter than the old stock bulb and you can see it. These LEDs are the switchback models. There is no hyperflashing due to our CAN bus design. Look at the difference between the two bulbs. Now let's repeat the same process on the other side. Twist counterclockwise to release the bulb. Next, pop the old bulb out and let's put in the new ALA LED in. Reinsert it into the housing, then twist it clockwise to lock it in, and we are done. Look at that shine and brightness. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again here at ALA Lighting.